quick introduction. Look what we got. Ho, 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 ho.
Caravan! Can I go inside it?
Yeah.
We go inside. That's yours. Saver. Can we cook our food in here tonight?
We've got to empty it all out and clean it and get it all sorted.
Ray, I think to shower something in it. What? I love it.
Need a tow vehicle. Fortunately, I've got one, but I had to fit a tow bar on it. So fitted my Britannia towing in Marsh Park and Exeter on top of the car. So we've got the roof box on there, tow bar on the back. I put my UK sticker on it, as well as the mirror extenders going on the front of the car. They're in an awful lot to do with the car. I can press a button to change throw of the headlights. In the back of the car, under the boot compartment, I've got my first aid, some DIY fix-it tools, screwdrivers, a few sockets, soldering iron, cable cutters. Introduce you to the caravan in a minute. We've got a Swift 6-berth Major TD. Stress horribly, go away. When Vicky's not in the caravan, I'll show you around it. You have to get used to this.
Yeah, but not while I'm dressed like this.
What I can do, let me show you the outside bits and pieces. If you're a caravanner person already, you're going to have to forgive me. This is all quite new to me, and bear with me. We've got water that goes in there. That's your leisure battery, but also there is a plug so you can plug your caravan into the mains. This one's got an electric mover on it. Nuts. That's your toilet cassette, drain water, that toilet cistern stuff. Here you go, not bad, is it? On the outside, looks quite swish. I got my baseball cap which says Harley Davidson on it, so everyone knows I'm a biker by heart. Here's Mrs. Tango Pasty there, look, working it. Like she's in Milan. Folks, we've come here to Marquis Caravans, whatever it's called. Now, this used to be Martin's Caravans, which is just off Sandygate in Exeter. I guess one of the things that made Martin's Caravans particularly well known was a certain group called Coldplay. It was actually founded by Chris Martin's, I think, his granddad. Anyway, we've come here because it is like a supermarket for caravan people. I mean, you just got to look around. There's absolutely tons of them here. What I've come here for is that. So we've got a safe fill gas bottle in the front of the caravan, which I'm going to talk about quite a lot more later on. Two. I'm doing it one-handed, it bloody hates me. Put that back. Yes! Standard checking of the car. Front tyres are very, very good. Onto my back tyres, and I found this little beauty. Look at that little shit. That's an end to that tyre right there and then. So, 2 new tyres. Behind me you can see the Tiger tank is on Jack's having the wheels done. Thank you very much. Mid-Devon, Pro Tyre Mid-Devon at Crediton. Right, that's it, take it out. Yeah, look under there. Mandatory head torch. So about that. It's really early. got up at 4. Not really early. Supposed to leave at 5. It's 5:05. We haven't left yet. I think that's standard. Anyway, kids are excited. Where are you going?
Sometimes there's no light in sun bases.
We're going to France. Then after we're going to Germany.
We're going to the water park.
And then we're going to Italy.
Try Italian pasta.
Yeah, and pizza.
What's the capital of France?
Paris.
Laura, how do you say hello in German?
Guten
Thank you. Gilbert, how do you say thank you in French?
Oui, oui.
Oui, oui.
Merci.
Merci.
Merci, yeah.
Membrew services, so far so good. What do you think so far then? Boring or amazing?
Sun.
Street lights,
That's
Street.
that's a light.
signs.
Seatbelt.
What was
Daddy
it?
got
Hang on, Daddy got it. Yay.
We will rock you fence.
Oh, camera.
Is this France?
No, sweetheart, this is Folkestone.
We're at the Channel Tunnel. We got here early. There is no option to move our train, and the train we have got is even delayed by 30 minutes, meaning that we have 2 hours sat here now.
Mummy,
Yeah.
did we wait 2 hours here when we got here?
No, we've waited about an hour and a half.
All right. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, kaboom.
Gas kaboom, that's right.
Yes, kaboom.
Bonjour.
The window down.
Window.
Gilbert, get his privacy glass.
Yeah.
Can I get a stamp?
Yeah.
Yeah, you all get stamps.
That's your 3.
All stamped. Whose is that? Whose is that?
It's yours. 3 sand.
Lane 15. Thank you very much, sir.
Can we watch it? Can we? Yeah.
Coming down the stairs, isn't it?
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The next departure is at 15:30. Boarding will begin in about 15 minutes. Please accept our apologies for this delay. Thank you.
Wow, that train is so long.
Look at what
Why did you say that?
Why are they coming up?
Put your phone down, Vicky.
What?
I couldn't see like that. I need that mirror.
I thought I was out of the way,
No,
sorry.
you're right.
Now do we just wait?
Guys, we've got to get on.
Oh, that's bright.
It's not bright for me.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Messi! Messi! Messi!
We're in France! In France!
France!
Yeah!
Hello, France!
We're in France!
We're in France! It's there! I love France!
How long did the journey take?
What?
There, look, you'll see it as we go past.
Huge
Okay.
fire.
Oh,
shit.
look at that go.
Yeah, saw it go.
Sehr schnell.
Nee.
Nee.
It's not actually that far!
Here we go.
There's a hat bunch.
I can live. Okay.
I loved it.
Why are you on?
You're in control, Gilbert. You're in control.
Can't mistake those knees.
You're not too bad. You're not too bad.
Here he goes. Yay! Hey. All right.
Yeah, I want to do it again. I want to do it again. I want to do it again.
No. Dicky's bought us tickets to the island cruise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna need a bigger boat. They really give you good pictures.
Of what?
You got a good sized pitch.
Oh, pictures. You said pictures. Yes, I did.
Lake
Maggiore.
Lake Maggiore. And a nice little secluded beach. Cappuccino on the beach in Italy. Bellissimo.
Here comes the eldest rug rat.
Middle
Stand next
right
to
there.
Gilbert.
There's the small one.
Growing. Crack it open. Oh.
Mummy, crack it open.